Okay, thank you very much, members of the 4th Estate, the members of the Zimbabwe National Student Union, the only progressive student movement in Zimbabwe, members of the Youth Assembly that I have noted here, members of other organizations which are here. Before I say anything or utter anything, allow me to say this. This would be my first submission. Tawanda Mcheyiwa was not and was never abducted. He is just but a mere incident of the victim. But the victim at large is not the students at Midland State University, but the students within and around all continents, around the globe. What was abducted is not Tawanda Mcheyiwa. What was abducted is all the mothers across the globe, across the continents, because he is born from a mother, from a woman. What was abducted is not Tawanda Mcheyiwa. What was abducted was the labor movement, because his father is a worker, is a member of the proletariat. What was abducted is a religion, because there's no religion without a worshipper, and himself is a worshipper. There was a prison inside me before I was in prison. That should be noted. If they fail to respect our existence, then they should be assured of our resistance. They should know, the regime should know, the kakistocracy of Emerson Mnangagwa, the gerontocracy of Emerson Mnangagwa should know that the barometers of class consciousness stand resolved, staunch on the position that justice for Tawanda Mcheyiwa should be served. Imbalaka Rendao should be informed and should know that it should release information of those who abducted Tawanda Mcheyiwa, because there are several abduction cases that are unknown in Zimbabwe. We have an abduction case of Itai Zamara. Where is Itai Zamara right now? Imbala might be willing to answer this question if it fails to provide information of those who abducted Tawanda Mcheyiwa.
Yes.
I'm very clear on this as the president of the students' movement. But however, I'm not alone. The movement at large includes the labor movement, the youth I have included. And for this, I stand guided that we will never kneel down.
Continue.
One ZINASU, one union. We will never kneel down to the tyranny of the kakistocracy.
Yes.
We stand resolved.
Yes.
And we stand staunch on the position that we have.
Aluta, continue. Aluta,
Continue.
we as the female commanders, we are here to give our first commander, the President Takudzwa Ngadziore, the first batch of keys to Impala. Take it, my President. The action is yours. And our position is very clear. Now that the President is back, our action, the struggle continues. Yes. Thank you very much.